Hello, it's me again. You guessed it. um, okay, I've just lost what I was going to say. Anyways, more Bulletstorm. I figured, I've been playing Sniper Elite, and I finished it, but I figured that, the multiplayer for Sniper Elite is not very exciting to watch. I don't know, maybe it is. But it's pretty boring to watch because it's a lot of sitting around stalking people to snipe them. The multiplayer is fun, but I mean to play pretty much. Not a huge amount of fun to watch. I thought, anyways. Tell me what you think. So you got Bulletstorm again. I got the deal on Steam to buy Assassin's Creed, all the Assassin's Creed games. Not Assassin's Creed 3, but all of the previous ones for like €30. So I got all of them. I'm going to start playing Assassin's Creed 1 and just play through all of them before I get Assassin's Creed 3. But what else is new? Oh yes, the tutorials. There's been a lot of requests on my other Unity 2D and Unity tutorial for more, and I just wanted to sort of be clear on that I'm still not certain whether I want to do those videos, because I mean there's so many YouTube tutorials on Unity that I just feel that it's just a wash. But I mean, if you like me teaching, I can do more, and I'd also like you to put in the comment what you'd like to learn. I mean, 2D and Unity is that video was done as a simple idea of how you could go about doing 2D and Unity without the add-ons. But I mean, I've bought the add-ons. I bought the 2D toolkit for Unity, and it is absolutely phenomenal. It's so good. And I think using that method to make an entire 2D game probably wouldn't work nearly as well as using one of the 2D toolkits, because I mean the 2D toolkits, they use sprite atlases, they have fancy animation systems, and they just work a heck of a lot better at doing 2D. They're a lot faster, they have a lot less draw calls. So tell me what you think. I would gladly do Unity tutorials, but I'm only going to do them if you really want them, and if you and obviously depending on what you want. So you tell me what tutorials you want, I will make them. What else was I going to say? Oh, Ludum Dare is coming up, which is kind of cool. 1 minute, I'm just sorting something out here. Ludum Dare is coming up. It's August 24th, and if there's any game developers watching that weren't planning on taking part in Ludum Dare, I really recommend that you do. It's kind of amazing. Even if you've been programming for 2 weeks and your experience as a game developer is limited, I really recommend that you join. I mean, last time there was 1,200 odd people who took part in the competition, and it's just the whole community around making games and making games with other people over 48 hours. It's just great, and I really especially enjoy the sorry, I really especially enjoy the judging part of the competition, because you get to play crap loads of games that are really original, really new, and really fun, and they just and I find that making a game under a theme that you can't deviate from really pushes your sort of creative side. It makes you think out of the box and makes you think and design games that you wouldn't normally otherwise. So Ludum Dare is amazing. Take part in it. I beg of you. I'll put a link in the description to the Ludum Dare website. Another thing I want to talk about was my engine, the Scales engine, is coming along to a point now where the graphics is pretty much working as I want it to. I'm working on input at the moment. And then I'm going to get some stuff sorted out for translating and maths and time management. And once I've done that, I want to make a little demo. I don't know, maybe like a one-level side-scrolling game using a one-level side-scrolling game using the engine. And I want to have that done by the end of the month. And I'm going to put that up on YouTube as the first ever public demo of the engine. To show you what it's like, and I'll guide you through the code and how you're to make a game using the engine. Obviously, it's an extremely early stage. The Lua stuff isn't done yet, but I'd still like to show you around the engine. What else was I going to say? Oh, another thing I was thinking. I've only got a minute left on the video, but another thing I was thinking to myself was learning other language. I'm not going to have enough time to talk about this. What I was basically going to say is learning programming languages after you've previously learned a programming language is a lot easier, because it's like learning a language. Learning to talk for the first time is really hard because you don't know how to communicate with people. But if you learn a language after again, it's a lot easier because you already know how to communicate with people. You just got to learn how to communicate in a different way. But programming languages are the same. The first one that you learn will always be the hardest. But more on that next week. Thank you for watching. Remember to leave a comment on what kind of Unity tutorials you want, because I really want to please you guys. And remember to tell everyone about this channel so that you know, more people watch. And anyways, that's it for now. Bye bye.